Have you ever pondered over the significance of preventing machine downtime in surface mount technology or SMT production? Let's take a moment to unravel this. SMT production, a key part of modern manufacturing, is a complex process that requires precision and continuity. When a machine in this chain experiences downtime, it's not just that one piece of equipment that's affected. The fallout ripples through the entire production schedule, leading to delays, missed deadlines, and potentially significant financial losses. Moreover, it's not just about the immediate monetary impact. Machine downtime can also undermine the overall efficiency of the manufacturing process, affecting product quality and creating a domino effect of challenges down the line. Therefore, preventing machine downtime is paramount to maintaining smooth production, ensuring that the gears of industry continue to turn without interruption. So the question arises, how can we effectively prevent machine downtime in SMT production? The solution lies in predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance, an innovative approach, can be the game changer in preventing machine downtime. But what exactly is predictive maintenance? In simple terms, it's akin to a crystal ball for your machinery. It uses a combination of data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning techniques to predict when a machine is likely to fail. Think of it like a weather forecast for your factory floor. Just as meteorologists use data to forecast the weather, predictive maintenance employs similar principles to forecast machine health. By analyzing patterns and trends in machine data, predictive maintenance can alert us to potential failures before they occur. This allows for timely maintenance, preventing unexpected machine downtime and ensuring smooth production. But it doesn't stop there. Predictive maintenance isn't just about predicting failure, it's about optimizing machine performance and extending equipment lifespan. So it's not just saving you money, it's making your machines last longer. While predictive maintenance seems promising, its implementation can be made more efficient with the aid of artificial intelligence. AI's role in predictive maintenance cannot be